Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will have a look at the new Umenashi TRE spring sets for the Navi 110 and Activa 110. And we also talk about more of the Navi tuning products that are coming up soon. We will be releasing new products for the Navi in the future, such as the cylinder blocks, big valve head and more. So guys, let's get straight to it.
Hi guys, Reggie here from Umenashi, and a short update about Navi tuning products we worked out. So the first thing we worked out is the new sets, the springs, and these are the throttle response enhancer springs we have worked out. These are complete sets, and well, the job of these is to improve low end torque by a lot, and also throttle response. You will get much better throttle response if you're driving around. It makes your clutch work more consistent, because don't forget, everybody knows your clutch is open and closing, but while doing so, your clutch is making that twist direction, and that's where the problems start, because it needs to press the spring down. That takes some power to press the spring in. But another thing is that it is twisting the spring. And well, you try that, guys. Take a spring and try to twist it, because that's really what happens each and every time you come from a standstill position and you open the throttle. You start driving. You are twisting the spring. So you need to twist the spring, and it needs to open and close the spring. That takes a lot of power that can be used to rotate your wheel, hence making a faster acceleration and throttle response and more torque. So with the new Umenashi springs, they come like that with this installed. Maybe a close up. Okay, perfect. It doesn't require any force from your engine. None. And that makes it so much easier for your clutch to work, and it basically works on your fuel economy as well, because you get more result out of the engine, the power you have available on your engine. So you're now only pressing the spring in, and it can turn. No problem. So the new Umenashi springs for the Navi, guys, it's really the way to go. We have them in the stage 1 and the stage 2. So the yellow one is harder than the white one. The white one is the stage 1. And the yellow one is the stage 2, available in the kit with the springs. They come as one set, and these little springs these are 2mm springs. What they do is they avoid your engine from stalling. So you open the throttle and off you go. I mean, guys, if you install these new Umenashi springs, guys, you won't believe your eyes. You will think your engine is tuned, you have another engine, you did something with it, but actually you just improved your variator. You are using the same power as you had before, but in another way. So you don't rob as much power away from your engine as you did before. It's so easy, guys. It works a charm. It really does. This set is also available if you don't want to change to these springs. Then we sell also this throttle response enhancer set for your stock spring. So if you have a stock Navi spring, you want to keep it, okay, no problem. You can order this set. It comes with the throttle response enhancer and with the small springs to work the magic on your engine, on your Navi. And it really makes a difference, guys. It really does. That's what's available right now on the website, and maybe we can have a talk as well on what we are working out now. And these are the new big. Everybody is asking. You know, we released the camshafts and we released the bore up piston sets to bore your stock cylinder up, but then you're still ending up with, here we have the Navi cylinder block, as you can see. Where is the code? I need to twist it. KWP, that's the Navi block, right? And if you bore the stock cylinder up, then you still have the problem that you're running a cast cylinder. First, it weighs a brick. It weighs actually more than a brick. A brick will be lighter than that. But that's not so really the bad side of it. The bad side is it doing a terrible job in heating up the engine, getting the engine at operation temperature, and cooling, most important, certainly with tuning, cooling the engine down. It does a terrible job, guys, in cooling the engine down. And I will move that to the side. And why is that bad? Well, it's bad because it's eating horsepowers again. You start, I think the Navi community can affirm that in the morning when you start the engine up, you feel like, whoa, bike is running great. And once you drove some miles, you feel like, well, the engine is not so responsive anymore. It's like the power drops, and that's actually what happens. The power drops for sure, because the simple reason is that if air heats up, it contains less oxygen, and if you have less oxygen, you can throw not as much fuel to it, so that it makes less power. You have a smaller bang, I mean a smaller explosion. If you have more oxygen, you can throw more fuel to it, and you have much better performance. You get more power out of it. So we come up now with the aluminium cylinder kits. So not available now, guys, but coming soon. We're working on it. This is the, maybe we can show them side by side. Flip them up that way. And the weight on that, guys, it's terrible. And I get it. It's a low cost product. I mean, if you see, it's amazing that it's a Honda product. But I get it. The setup for this was the goal, the target. Okay, a low cost product, and spread it for a wide market. So, and that's what you get. You get a low cost product. So that's side by side. I mean, aluminium, cast, and the finish of our product is totally different, of course. As you can see, side by side. Flip them over like that. So the aluminium cylinder block for Navi, guys. This is 54.5 bore. We have the 54mm bore as well. I mean, we're working on it. It's still in the R&D phase, so it will be released soon. Maybe in the next month or so. And 54mm bore, 54.5mm bore, and I think we will go ahead with the 54mm bore because we have some more material over here, and wow, it's a bit more firm, more reliable, I would say. It's more easy to crack this than to crack that one. It's only 0.5mm, but it's more firm, it's more durable. So yeah, coming soon. Oh yeah, maybe a good idea to point out the difference in weight. We have a scale over here. Let's take a look to the difference. Let's see, it should be possible. That's kilograms. Yeah, well, maybe we show kilograms first for you guys. So this is the Navi cylinder block, stock Navi cylinder block, right? And how much is that one? This is 2 kilograms and 13 grams, 2 kilograms something. Now the Uminashi aluminium cylinder block, it's not 1 kilogram, guys. I mean, it's yeah. So yeah, guys, for you in the US, for the pounds, this is the weight in pounds, right? And aluminium. That's the difference in weight with aluminium. But as said, the weight is not the big factor of that one. The cooling capacity for the tuned engine, guys, it's not a stock engine. Stock, okay, whatever. It's not built to be powerful. It's not. If we start to tune, well, tuning is one thing, make it more powerful is one thing, but cooling everything down is a big factor in the tuning chapter. So you need to have that under control to get the most power out of it and to be reliable, because things can go south really fast. If you work with high compression pistons and whatnot, things can really go bad, really sound. So we have the cooling under control. We also work on the cylinder heads. You can see this is a stock Navi cylinder head, and we installed a big valve in it. That's just what we didn't port it yet. It's just to see what's possible with the stock heads, with angles and valve size and whatnot. So because people are asking for the big valve heads as well. So guys, we're on it. We work it out for you. No problem. But it will take some time, guys, because we have a lot of work now with the PCX and the Grom tuning parts. We release a lot of new big valve, 4 valve heads for the Grom community. It's ridiculous what we are doing at the moment behind the scenes. And so we don't forget you, Navi community. We work it out for you guys. Coming soon. And yeah, we have a collaboration with Mo, so we work everything out and ship it over to Mo so he can test it for you guys to see it in the US, what things are working and what not, and also for us to see where do we need to spend more time and effort on, so we can improve things. Here I didn't point this out. This we have also available, so you can now adjust your cam timing as well. Your cam timing, because we have worked the camshaft out, but we didn't have the cam timing sprocket. So okay guys, done. It's available. Check the website, www.uminashi.eu. Check the website, guys. It's available for Navi. Also we have worked the stroker set out, because we can go with the 12mm pin until a 54mm bore, but that's as big as I would go, guys, because we see it from the Grom 125RR, the 5-speed, also have a 12mm pin, and it's fine until 54, but as soon as you go to 55, 56, you can do 56. It's tight, but it's possible, and we've done it. 56, and here's where it snaps. Here's where it snaps. It all becomes more thin. It's not only the pin that is the issue; it's the entire thickness of the connecting rod. So it snaps. So guys, don't go larger on the 12mm pin than 54. We have the stroker pin worked out as well. So it's a complete set. So you hit two birds with one stone, because you can stroke your engine up to get more torque. Torque is important, guys. You know what Carroll Shelby said. Horsepower sells cars. Torque wins races. And it's true. I mean, if you come out of the corner, you open the throttle, you need torque, guys. That's really what brings the power. And so this set is available at the website as well. 30mm pin, and you get 2mm longer stroke. And if you use this cylinder kit, you don't need to install a larger cam chain or anything. We work out so it will be fine to use. We work this gasket out. This is a thick gasket. It's a 1mm bigger gasket to work out in combination with the aluminium kit. So yeah, so that's it now for this Navi tuning update. More coming later on. See you guys, thank you for watching.
And take a look to the Yumanashi website. We are ready to deliver all parts you need worldwide to your doorstep.